Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G15, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will extend the list of toggles and show them to you in general, and locate the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it is visible right over here. Now, once you see it, first time around you can hold this toggle, as it will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Once you've done so, you can close this and you don't ever have to go back there again, and then find the toggle once again and simply tap on it when you want to enable it. Now in the settings you also have the option to select a schedule, which would mean that you don't need to actually enable or disable this at all. The device will do it for you at the provided day of the week and start and end time. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.